Have you ever wondered who truly holds the ultimate greatness? Who has the power to create from nothing? Who brings perfect balance to existence? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover 3 majestic names of Allah: Al-Mutakabir, Al-Khaliq, and Al-Bari. These names will not just deepen our understanding of Allah, but transform the way we see our own lives. Stay with me till the end, because the final revelation will leave your heart in awe. Al-Mutakabir, the supreme greatness, a word we often use for kings, leaders, or successful people. But there is only one whose greatness is absolute. Al-Mutakabir. Allah says in the Quran, He is Allah, besides whom there is no deity, the sovereign, the pure, the perfection, the bestower of faith, the overseer, the almighty, the compeller, the supreme. Exalted is Allah above whatever they associate with Him. This name reminds us that true greatness does not belong to us. It belongs to Allah alone. Look at the world around us. People chasing fame, power, wealth. But do any of these truly make us great? The moment we humble ourselves before Al-Mutakabir, we find true honor. What if I told you that the key to real success is not in rising above others, but in lowering yourself before Allah? Al-Khaliq, the Creator. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about the beauty of the sky, the intricate details of a butterfly's wings, the rhythm of your own heartbeat. Who designed this flawless system? Al-Khaliq, the creator of all things. Allah says Allah is the creator of all things, and He is over all things, disposer of affairs. From the tiniest cell in our body to the vast galaxies beyond, everything exists because of Al-Khaliq. Science uncovers wonders every day, yet even the greatest minds cannot comprehend the full extent of His creation. And here's something even more beautiful. Al-Khaliq created you with purpose. You are not random. Your existence is intentional. Your struggles, your dreams, your entire life, all part of a divine plan. But here's a question to ponder. If Allah created us with such precision, why do we sometimes feel lost? Al-Bari, the Evolver. We all seek perfection. We want perfect happiness, perfect relationships, perfect success. But have we ever reflected on the one who perfects everything? Al-Bari, the Evolver, the one who brings creation into perfect harmony. Allah didn't just create us. He shaped us, refined us, and continues to guide us toward perfection. Even our trials are part of this process. A seed in darkness might think it's buried, but in reality, it's being prepared to grow. Every hardship, every loss, every delay, it's not a setback. It's a setup for something greater. So the next time you feel broken, remind yourself, Al-Bari is molding you into the best version of yourself. And now, let me leave you with one final thought. If Al-Mutakabir is the supreme, if Al-Khaliq is the creator of all things, if Al-Bari is the one who perfects His creation, then why do we still worry? The more we recognize Allah's greatness, the less we fear this world. The more we trust His creation, the more we trust our journey. So here's a challenge. For the next 24 hours, reflect on these 3 names. Say them, feel them, live them, and watch how your perspective on life begins to change. So if this video touched your heart, subscribe to Imanify and join us as we dive deeper into the beauty of Allah's names. May Allah guide us all to a path of true understanding. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.